Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Piadina. So today I will be sharing with you my purchases I made during the month of November from 11/11, White Wednesday sale, Black Friday sale, and throughout the month of November. So come and join me. So first is the one that I purchased in Gold Souk. Remember I went to Gold Souk with my friend May, and so these are the purchases that I made. These earrings. Okay, so it's like it is a silver, and I really like this kind of earrings. I have a collection of this. So there. Yes. Okay then. The other purchase that I made in Gold Souk is the chain. So actually I exchanged it from my previous chain and I purchased the other chain like this. So let's wear it also. Okay. Wow. Okay. Excuse my pimples on my pimple marks on my chin. Okay, next is since it is online and usually I go for a walk also, I bought a lot of clothes for this month of November because winter break is coming, so holiday is coming, so basically I will be going out and meet my friends. So first is I bought this khaki short. I don't know, I want khaki short paired with white. Okay, so this one. So this is like, this vlog is about haul and unboxing, and I bought this dress. And I like the sleeves also, so I'm not so sure when I'm going to wear this. And of course I bought this. I usually like the cutouts type, and I already have white of this similar cuts. So usually when I buy clothes, when I like it, I buy in different colors. And of course this one, jumper type. Okay, and finally this one I wear already in the brunch, but I wear with white top inside. So these are like jumpsuit short, and of course this is the white. I always like white blouse, just like an Heart Evangelista classic white. This like this, and you have to bow tie it. I still have to learn how to bow tie. And yeah, so these are the purchase of my clothes. And finally, so ta-da! So while watching YouTube, I saw an ads in the Sands and Sands, and then I clicked that ads, and then I bought a shoes. When it is sale, I usually buy the shoes. So let's go unboxing it. And ta-da! Yes, Adidas shoes. So I usually like white shoes. And let's see. So this is another pair of white shoes. And yes. So this is the Grand Port base. Adidas. Yeah. My size is 37, but then I took 37 and 1/3. Okay, yes. So this is the white shoes. I have now white. Okay. Usually I discard. Usually what I do is when I buy one, I dispose two. And then I can go to, I can wear shoes which have brands, or you can buy as cheap as like 30 dirhams like that. So you can wear anything. And next is, so since they're also sale in Namshi during the Black Friday, Black November, so I bought another shoes, and this time let's check it out. So this time is, it's Adidas. Of course, when you buy Adidas, you have to buy also Nike. So this time it's Nike. And let's see. Okay. I have pink rubber shoes of Adidas. Now, to be fair with Nike, I bought a pink running shoes from Nike. I'll be using this since I go for a walk every night. I'm going to use this. So this is 50 in pink. Yeah. Okay. Now let's try. I think my fit is cool. Yes. Yeah. And I better try the other one and the other. This is the white one. So now I have a new Nike shoes, and I have also new Adidas white shoes. Yeah. So this vlog is not to brag the things that I bought during this month of November, but something to vlog about. Okay. So since most of the vlogs are about unboxing, haul, and I thought about why not also video it and vlog about it. And I'm so happy with all my purchases. And okay, I made a lot of purchases this month of November because I'm not traveling. Today is November 30 and I'm supposed to travel, but unfortunately due to COVID-19 restrictions, I'm still not allowed to travel. And because of that, what else you have to do with your money? To do shopping online. Okay. Nowadays we prefer buying online because it's very convenient. Okay, we don't have to go to the malls with that of people. Yes. Okay. So I'm so happy with this. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment, and share.